Hi friends, welcome to AKSHAYA'S kitchen. Today's recipe is instant pickle rice. This we can prepare in just 5 minutes and with homemade ingredients. We need less ingredients and it's the fastest recipe and it is easy to eat. Let's see how to make the pickle rice. Here we use the main ingredient as onions. Let's see how to make pickle rice. Firstly, take a kadai and on the stove. Take 2 to 3 spoons of oil, refined oil. Now the oil is heated. Let's put 1 spoon of jeera seeds. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. Let the dal fry for some time, 2 to 3 minutes. Add some curry leaves. Now add onion pieces. Take 1 big size onion. Now fry the onions until they turn into golden brown color. By the time onions get fried, let's see how to mix the rice with leftover rice. Now add pickle to the rice and let's mix it. Now add half spoon of salt. Now the onions are fried. Let's add the rice. Now mix the rice well with the onions and chana dal. Let it heat for 2 to 3 minutes. This recipe can be cooked only for 2 to 3 minutes until the rice is heated nicely. This is an instant recipe. Now our recipe is ready. Let's off the stove. And now our pickled rice is ready. Let's take it in the serving bowl. Now our instant pickle rice is ready. Here I used mango pickle. Why? Because mango pickle tastes very good. Now it's ready to eat. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe.